What's up, YouTube? What's up to you? Welcome back, YouTube. So, today is a sad day for me because after a long losing streak, for a month of losing streak, I finally lost an account because I failed as a disciplined trader. I failed from what I've been teaching. I failed for who I want to become. I feel very pained that I had to lose this account this way because that's not what it meant to be. So this account, this 50K account that I've had, if you go to my channel, you see the pictures when the first withdrawal, when I passed the account, everything I did with the account, everything was going fine until after two withdrawals, I started having a losing streak. So this losing streak was caused by so many factors, and I'm going to mention all of them now. The first factor about it all is that I want to make at least more than 4% in my account, which leads for me to start trading without control, to lose control. The next thing is that I was greedy, I was risking too much again. That's what made my account breathe so much. And that's that must be the painful part about it because trading is a mindful game, and the only thing I'm working hard so hard now to face in my career, and then once I face it, I'm a good trader, is risk. Be a good risk taker. Manage your risk very well. That's what I'm working so hard now to balance in my trading. And once I balance it up, I'm a good trader and I'm good to go. So the next thing again that I'm finding is very to to that the next thing that made me to lose more money in this account and lost my account was because I lost the purpose in which I started trading this account. This account is an account I want to own for 1 year. I want to trade it for one good year so that I will have that long term mindset that I can fund my own personal account. I'll still do well there. So there are a lot of factors. The reason why I wanted to work really hard on keeping that account for a very long time. But in everything, at least I make back. I got my refund. I got the payouts, and I stacked up a lot of profits that I didn't misuse anyhow because I want to know how the a year of trading will, will look like in this my account. Unfortunately, I lost it because of risk too, because of risk. But now I'm going to tell you the good part. The good part is that I learned what I would do at these pro firms. So when I get this pro firm, there are two things I have to work on. The first thing is I have to work on my okay. I'm going to tell you the things I learned in this account after telling you the mistakes I made. The first thing I learned is that I should be a good risk taker, spread my risk across all my setups, and look for nothing less than above 1:5, so that I can, you know, finally look back and be like, okay, actually passed it, or okay, I actually made it 20% in a month, because I knew that the mistakes I'm making is because I'm not making 20% a month, or 10%, or 20, or not, even if it's 10, minimum of 10%. I feel like I'm not a good trader, and I feel like I'm not doing well for myself. So that been leading to a lot of rush, and because I'm seeing a lot of people's wins and I want to rush it. I don't know that's very hard, but sometimes we can't control it. I always talk about awareness of things we do. So the next thing I learned is high risk to reward. High risk to reward trades will help you out to help you balance in times of your drawdowns and balance the account not to lose too much, and risking bringing up 5% of your account to risk in that week. Every week I have to risk only 5% of my account within every setups I see. Okay. I know if I I have like 7 pairs, but if I share my risk across every like for like 5 trades, I'll still go up profit because trading distributes random losses and wins all the time. So with that being said, I also I got a new account again on fundednext. I'm trying to test out fundednext to see how good fundednext is. Okay. So fundednext is a profile account that has been here for a very long time now. There have been people have been saying good things about it. So I'm just going to try it out and see how it is, everything about it. I've used FTMO, nothing's happening to FTMO. I just want to test it out now. I'm starting because I'm on a journey to scale with a bigger pro firm, like to scale big and with pro firm. So I'm working very hard to know if I can use fundedness. If fundedness is guaranteed, then FTMO is already a satisfied one that I'm gonna use too. So if I get a funded with 300k on fundedness, then I'll buy FTMO again 400k. So 300, 400, that's almost 1 million in funding. That's what I want to achieve this year. But unfortunately, the first start of it, or I got the drawdown, I lost account, but nothing. I'm back. So I want you guys to, if you're watching this video, I want you all to watch my video and encourage me for me to pass this account. I'm gonna drop every bit of it all in this account. So I'm gonna share, yeah, it's gonna be like series, the first trade, the second trade, the third trade, and then everything about the account as time goes on. That's it all for this one, and I'd love to thank you all for the viewers, the returning viewers. I love you all, and I'll see me in another one. Love you all.